Dear student, Namaste. Today we are in day 27. So, dear student, we will study today nitrogen in air. Okay, that we know the air means it is formed by a different. This is a combination of different type of gases. No, we have discussed about oxygen in air, carbon dioxide in air, water vapor in air. Okay. Similarly, nitrogen also mixed in the air. Before that, air has weight. If anybody will say air has weight, then they will feel surprised that air has weight or not. But actually, air has weight. I had told you before that before this, before means previous class, that when we fill the balloon, then before filling the balloon, if we wait, then the weight, you take that weight, and after filling the balloon, you compare the weight before filling the balloon and after filling the balloon. So after filling the balloon, you will get more weight. Okay. So see here, generally we use the expression as light as air, but air has weight. Means although it is too light, but when we measure, then we can get that air has weight. Okay. So nitrogen in air. Nitrogen forms about 78.07% of the total volume of air. Alright? You have to. What is the volume of nitrogen in air? If we ask, then you can say 78.07%. It occurs in nitrogen. It occurs in both free as well as in combined state. It is free also and it is in combined state also. Nitrogen is used by us to prepare fertilizers. Okay? Nitrogen is used by us to prepare fertilizer, which are used to provide vital nitrogen compounds of plants. It is very important for the plants, okay, because it is used by us to prepare fertilizers. Non-supporter of combustion, it is filled in elastic ball. Yes, elastic ball, the ball which we are taking here, that is glowing, inside that also it is filled with a nitrogen gas. Okay. Nitrogen is used to manufacture ammonia gas and chemical fertilizer. Ammonia is also used, this nitrogen is also just like nitrogen is used to manufacture ammonia gas. It is used for ammonia gas and chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizer also by the help of nitrogen which is manufactured. Okay. All the plants and animals use nitrogen directly and indirectly to make proteins. Without whatever we are eating proteins, we take protein from animals and plants. That protein is built up or it is produced by the what you can say by the help of nitrogen. Without nitrogen, plant and animal can't make proteins inside it. Okay, dear student. So, are you clear here? Very good. So, now rusting. Do you know the rusting of pure steel or iron rod? After some months or after some days, when it gets rains or Means when you put it outside, when it gets rains, then we feel that that iron rod is color is changing. It gets rusting. So actually, what is meaning of the rusting? See here, the reddish brown layer on the surface of the iron is called rust. I told you, the color change. The upper layers of the rod, that is called rust. The reddish brown layer on the surface of the iron is called rust. And the process of formation of rust, how that rust form, that is the formation. The process of formation of rust by slow oxidation into iron oxide. Iron oxide due to the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of water vapor is called rusting. I told you, the process of formation of rust by the slow oxidation that directly in less interval of time you can't see the rust. Means slow oxidation, after slow oxidation into iron oxide, okay, into iron oxide due to the atmospheric oxygen. Yes, due to the atmospheric oxygen in the presence of water. I told you, when you put the iron rod outside, okay, then in atmosphere, what we see? Rain falls, and different type of that atmosphere changes, isn't it? So slowly oxidation occurs into iron oxide due to the atmospheric oxygen. In the presence of water vapor, means that rainfall or water vapor in this way, that is called rust. Okay. What are the uses of air? Uses of air, you can, without air you can't survive. Organism or plants, organism can't survive. A feeling of glycols. Many things are here. Air helps with bonding. Without air, nothing can bond. You can't bond anything. Oxygen is supporter of bonding. Many things, oxygen, without oxygen, bonding is possible. Air is necessary for living things. Without oxygen, animal can't survive. I told you already. Air is necessary for plants during photosynthesis. Plants need oxygen or air, carbon dioxide or air. It is used for filling in electric bulb. Okay. It is used for, I told you, nitrogen also air. So it is used in the electric bulb also. Liquid oxygen, just you can see very important. Liquid oxygen is used as fuel in rockets. Rockets runs due to liquid oxygen. Okay. Moving air in the source of energy. Moving air is also the source of energy. Air is used in filling air tubes. I told you already. Air helps in pollination and dispersal of seeds. For pollination and dispersal of seeds also is very important. Isn't it? So dear student, nearly we are going to complete this chapter. So you can see the points to know your exercises here. Exercise, many type of questions. Choose the following. Choose the best answer like this. To second type of question is fill in the blanks. Third is write correct mark for true and cross for false statements. Fourth type of question is write two example of each of the following. And five type of question, answer the following question. Sixth number is write any two differences between. Okay. And seventh last type of question is give reason. Project work is also there. So I think, student, we had completed this chapter, and we had completed two lessons from the chemistry. So the students, you go home, and I think you are enjoying the class. and in next class we'll read in next with new lesson. I'll come in front of you. So this much for today. Thank you, students. Bye bye. Thank you.